is the deck. We're currently waiting until our check-in. So it's so nice. So this is the deck, and this is the dining area. You can see the shore is not too refined, so it's a bit rocky, I suppose. I'm not sure if this is the shore where you can actually take walks, or so yeah. So we are headed to the room, and we're staying at the room designated as Ultima. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but it's basically a house. And then this is the dive shop, I suppose, and then another upward trek. It's quite steep. Alright, I can do this. Okay, alright. Thank you. So,
room Ultima, about 302.
alright, perfect. So we're here, we arrived at Ultima, and then earlier we just dropped off our stuff, and then this is how it looks. So this is the bathroom area. Shower area. Washing area. It's pretty huge. So please don't mind our stuff. This is the bed. And guys, I think this is the best part of this room. It's the awesome view. So it has a little washing area as well. I suppose if you want to prepare some drinks. And this is the view. Isn't it awesome? And then there's like a little lounge area here. We can just sit back and just listen to the sound of the waves. And then there's like a day bed here where they just dumped all of our stuff. So this is bags. And then the nice view. See, it's pretty awesome. And can I just say, this lamp, I hope they're selling something like this. It's so nice. It's made of it looks like paper mache or recycled fabric. It's very beautiful. I'll be asking the guy if they sell this. It's so nice. And then they have an espresso machine, of course with pods. And then this is our water. So yeah, this is how the room looks. It's pretty huge, and the light is also natural, for lack of a better term, and it's so breathtaking. So I'll update more on this blog. Thank you.